Nakikrave ka ba ng burger pero ayaw mo sa fast food? Tara, samahan niyo ako as we discover this hidden burger spot na low-key pero high-key naman sa lasa. Hindi mo aakalain na tong pintuan pala na ito will lead you sa isang nakatagong burger spot. Pagpasok ko, I felt a little creepy. Ewan ko if ganun lang talaga yung vibes ng resto or dahil medyo old na yung place. But since andito na tayo at gutom na, push na natin to. Small lang yung place, may pagka-old vintage to rustic yung feels, so don't expect too much in terms of aesthetic. Pero one thing I appreciate, malakas yung aircon nila. Sobrang perfect, lalo na sa init ngayon. Let's move on sa food, kaya wag na natin patagalin. Ang dami nilang burger options. Pero this time, instead na mag-bestseller tayo, nag-order lang ako ng something from the regular menu. So I got their slalom, basta yun, not sure sa pronunciation. This combo comes with bacon, cheese sauce, and caramelized onions. And guys, hindi ako na-disappoint. Honestly, pwede na siyang pang bestseller. Super juicy and beefy nung patty, and ramdam mo talaga yung lasa. Siguro one thing lang, medyo nakulangan ako sa bacon. Parang hindi ko siya masyadong nalasahan. Yung sides na potato chips, hindi siya yung usual na nabibili sa labas. They actually make their own chips daw. And yes, masarap siya for me. Crispy, fresh, and bagay siyang i-partner sa burger. And syempre, dahil gutom tayo, nag-add na rin ako ng crispy chicken wings. And true to their claim, crispy talaga siya. May lasa siya na medyo reminds me of tempura, light and crunchy. And since I love tempura, alam nyo na, this is also masarap for me. At pag ganito naman ang cravings mo, Coke is life ang masarap inumin, di ba? Coca-Cola, Buchanan, char! Disclaimer ulit guys, bago nyo ako i-bash, kung di nyo trip, okay lang. Basta for me, masarap siya. Here's a sample of their menu. Pause this part for your reference. So if burger lover ka and you're looking for something different, yung hindi lang sa usual fast food, this spot is worth a try. Cruiser Grilled Burgers is located at Barangay San Antonio, Candon City. Don't forget to follow, like, and share para updated ka sa next food trip natin. See you on the next one. Yun lang. Bye!